Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very beautiful and interesting episode for you guys. We have a lots of things today in Yalla TV. For you guys, we have guns, we have sniper gun, we have construction machine, we have some animals, we have Ironman from Avengers Endgame. And we have some sea animal and we have some wild animal as well. And guns of course we have in our every episode. So we are collecting now this Spiderman, this is seahorse along with a pocket gun, that's a starfish with another 30 Mauser, and we have this tiger. Wow, that's a wild beast. That's a gun along with a vehicle, and this is a horse for sure, but I guess this one is zebra. Let's find out. That's an alligator along with a road roller, and we have this hydraulic drill as well, and we have this Ironman mask. Wow, that is so much fun. So you ready guys for rock and roll? Let's do it. Water is good, and you will see now water color will be changed as I put this Ironman mask, and you can see the water is totally changed. And here we go, that's a Ironman mask. Wow, Ironman from Avengers Endgame, your favorite character. That is cool. Let's find out. And the next one we have is A-15 gun. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. We have A-15 bike. Wow, that is cool. And the next one we have is a wild animal. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. That's a zebra. It was look like an horse, but that's a zebra. Awesome guys.
ਸ਼ਰੀਫ ਐਨੂੰ ਕਰੋ ਭਾਈ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਪਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਧਰ ਕੇਬਲ ਲੱਗੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਕੁੱਤਿਆਂ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਭੌਂਕੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਇੱਧਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿਉਂ
And the next one we have is for sure a Hulk. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. Hulk is clean. Wow. And the next one we have is Spiderman, your favorite neighborhood. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. Spiderman is clean. Wow. And the next one we have hydraulic drill, a big construction machine. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. That's a big construction machine. Hydraulic drill is neat and clean. Wow.
This helps him to keep steady while he pounds away at the street. His tracks also keep him stable.
And the next one we have a front loader. Let's watch him. That's another big construction machine, and here we go. Just look at the shape and design of this big machine. Wow, front loader.
I was nominated for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
And the next one we have is a gun. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. That's a 30 pocket pistol. Bang bang. That is awesome. And what we have next? An alligator. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. That's an alligator. A big wild beast. Wow guys.
This girl was talking about these alligators with someone until she said this about one and they all reacted like they were offended.
He's big too.
And the next one we have is starfish. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. The starfish is clean. That's a sea animal. And the next one we have is tiger. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. The tiger is wild animal and very scary too. And here we go. Our tiger is clean. That's a tiger face. This is how it works. Cool guys.
Comes to friends. In Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, an orangutan has become a surrogate to a bunch of tiger cubs. Well,
What we have next? The next we have is a construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. That's a road roller. The big construction machine. Wow. And the next one we have is seahorse. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. We have a seahorse. So this is it from today. We have cleaned all the things. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.